Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about a development of car rental database management system. It is our abstract car rental management application presents a data management system for a car rental company. This enables the administrator to keep and track all the customer information. This system increases customer retention and simplify vehicle and customers management in efficient way. The car rental management system has a very user-friendly interface. Thus the user will feel very easy to work on it. By using the system, the admin can manage rental bookings, customer and car information. The car rental information can be added to the system, or existing information can be edited or deleted by the administrator. The transaction reports of the car rental system can be retrieved by the administrator when it is required. Thus, there is no delay in the availability of any car information. Whenever needed, the car rental information can be captured very quickly and easily. It is our flow diagram. First, the admin can log in with his username and password. After login, there will be a 4 module. The first one is a car module. In this module, the admin can store car related information like registration number, ID, car brand, model, available status, price and etc. The car related data can be edited and also deleted by using unique IDs by admin. The second one is a customer module. In this module, the admin can manage customer details like customer's name, mobile number, address and a registered car. All customer will have unique ID. By using this ID, the admin can edit or delete customer details. And the third module is a rent car module. In this module, the admin can maintain rent car details like rent date, return date. The admin can also update and delete the rent car details. Last one is a returned car module. In this module, the admin can maintain rent car details and also store the returned car details. Now we see our output. First run the file and enter the username and the password. If you want to see the password, you may click here and view the password and click the login button. After login, there will be a module. In case you want to see the car details means you may click here. You see the existing car details. In case you want to add the new car details means you may enter all the details. After entering the details, you click the save button. The data will be saved. In case you want to see the existing car details means you enter the ID and you click the view option. You see the details. In case you want to delete car details means you enter the car ID and you click the delete option. The data will be deleted. And you click the back button. If you want to see the customer details means you click customer button. You see the customer details. If you want to add a new customer details means you enter all the details. And click the save button. the data will be stored. If you want to delete the customer details, means you enter the customer ID and click the delete option. The data will be deleted. If you want to see the customer details, means you enter the customer ID and click the view option. You see the customer details. If you want to see the rent car details, means you may click here and you see the rent car details and the car list. If you want to add a new car, new rental details, means you enter all the details. Name and select the rent date and select the return date and enter the price and click the save button. The data will be stored. If you want to delete the rent details, means you enter the ID and click the delete option. The data will be deleted. If you want to see the return car details, means you may click here and view the cars on rent and view the car returned car details. In case you want to add the new details, means you enter the details for in case they return the car after 2 hours of delay, you may enter the house and click the generate button. It will generate the fine amount and click here for to find the total price and click the save button. The data will be stored. In case you want to delete the returned car details, means you enter the ID and click the delete button. The data will be deleted. If you want to exit, you may click the exit option. You will be exit. Thank you.